Alright, so here is the iPhone 12, the actual iPhone 12, and I just received them today. So it is iPhone 12 blue color, 128 GB. So let's see together what is inside the box. Okay, so let's go unpack the box and let's see it. Okay, so the first thing when you notice that the box is actually quite small, and the reason that everyone knows is that it's missing already some of the components, such as the plug, and the headphone is actually missing from that iPhone 12. Okay, so let's open up this phone. As you said, I've never opened this phone, so we will open this phone now together. Okay, so the first thing that you noticed, of course, it's my LED light, but okay, so that phone is quite nice. That blue color, which I have chosen, I love it. It's quite amazing. So let's see, put the phone on the side and see what we got. What else we got? Okay, so the only thing that we got here, it is a lightning cable, USB-C to lightning cable. So that is the only thing that we have here. And what we got over here, some, as usual, we got some manuals, the Apple logo. I don't know what I need to do with this logo. Alright, anyway, so let's put that back inside the box. Okay, the lightning cable. Okay, the phone itself. So the phone itself looks amazing. I mean, the sharp edges, it's quite nice. That's very nice, the sharp edges. I like the sharp edges. Still, I will, like some people said, it looks like iPhone 4, and yeah, it's actually pretty right that it looks amazing like iPhone 4. So that is the iPhone 4. You see that iPhone, let's compare both of them. So as you can see, that iPhone 12 is actually a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner than iPhone 4, and the edges actually are pretty same. So you can see it still that they're similar. So let's say I got some other models as well. I got a 5S as well here. So you can see that it's almost same size as iPhone 5S. I mean, thinner as iPhone 5S. And yeah, so you can say that the edges are also like a 5S as well. So which is actually 5S for all of them, like a little bit similar. All right. And then we got iPhone 5C here, and also you can see that this one is starting already a little bit round edges. And then my favorite one, which actually still using it, I didn't upgrade to iPhone 11 or 10 or XR. I stayed with my iPhone 8 Plus, so kind of like the 8 Plus. And okay, so let's compare it to the iPhone 8 Plus. We put this phone on side. Okay, so as you can see, that iPhone 8 Plus is still bigger than iPhone 12, which is quite normal because that's not Pro, so or Pro Max. So it will be, of course, smaller than iPhone 8 Plus. So, all right, so yeah, so on the edges, I just love this. I love the finish of this iPhone. So you can see that it's quite nice finish. Wow, this is amazing. Alright, so from underside, I think it looks like iPhone 4 as well. No, I'm totally wrong. So that is iPhone 4. And then we got iPhone 5S. Alright. We got here iPhone 8 as well. iPhone 8 Plus. So as you can see, that I got all the collection here still with me. Alright, so let's take this one off. Wow, you know, it feels actually very light. It's amazing. I mean, see the edges, see the camera, and actually I like, you know, the glass back. It's amazing, pretty amazing. Yeah, so that is. Let's turn on if it is charged. All right, so the first thing that I'm still with iPhone 8, so I need to figure out from where it goes, turns on. Alright, so yeah, it's turning on. Amazing. Alright, so as always, yellow screen of Apple. I was actually thought that Apple maybe will come up with something different. They will change that finally, but they are still with the same message. Alright, so about the glass looks really pretty nice actually. So if you can't see it, it's just at the moment it's not so light. It's maybe because of that I'm using the ring light on top of it. Yeah, so alright, so I will do some basic setup and then let's talk about it. Okay, so I've been done with basic setup of this iPhone and done some tests, ran some tests like some games, Need for Speed, one of the games that I'm playing still on iPhone 8 Plus, and played also on iPhone 10. So on this one got some nice graphic. I mean, the graphic is pretty nice, the screen, because that's because of that screen, you know, it's nice, you know, the XDR screen looks amazing. So, but let's talk not about that. I will cover up some pictures which I have made with this iPhone 12. I will talk with it on my next video, so stay tuned for that. Let's talk about the hot topic which at the moment all the Apple users talking. So that is actually the provided cable is Lightning to USB-C. Yeah, okay, so people think, do they need to buy another plug? Yes and no. Yes, if you don't have any USB-C plug, such as the plug of which comes with the MacBooks. If you don't have that one, then of course you need to buy. So let's come back to the plug of MacBook, because this plug is actually if I'm not, 87 watts. So people maybe will think this is actually large amount of power for the MacBook, but not to forget that this plugs which provide with MacBooks, they are smart plugs. So they actually, when you connect the cable or your device to that power source, they actually see to this plug. They can actually see that, okay, which device is it connected to my plug, to this plug, and then actually this plug will actually adjust the power that need to go to this device. So don't be afraid to use your MacBooks or MacBook Airs plug with it. So okay, and of course these days a lot of normal laptops such as Dell, HP, they got also USB-C port, so you still can connect it to your laptop and then still charge your MacBook. And about headphones, I think all the Apple users got some headphones lying around that you can still use it. Alright guys, so that was actually my short review about the unboxing, and a little bit short review about iPhone 12. So please, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, of course, it will be thumbs down. Please do not forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you for watching this video.